Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites quickly. Check OS and free space, then enable overlay and notifications so the floating window can appear. Once done, sign in with your account. Make sure permissions are granted when prompted. Tap the floating mode toggle to create the initial floating widget, then position it roughly where you want it to stay. This gets the process started immediately and prepares you for the configuration steps that follow in the next slide. Now you refine the floating widget. Drag it to where it feels natural and use Snap to Grid for precision so it won't block important UI elements. Once placed, adjust size with pinch or the size slider and set opacity to balance visibility versus obstruction. Lower opacity when multitasking. Next, assign quick actions. Tap for main function, long press for menu, and gestures for shortcuts, so you access features without opening the full app. These steps create an efficient workflow centered on the floating control. Finish by locking the widget position so accidental drags won't disrupt your layout. Enable auto hide for full-screen apps to avoid interference. Test each shortcut and gesture now to confirm responsiveness, and make small adjustments to size or opacity if something feels off. If the floating widget disappears, first reopen the app and confirm overlay permission is still granted. If needed, restart the app or reboot the device to restore the overlay. This final check ensures reliable daily use and quick recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.